Alright, here is my 8-key sound generator program that is coded in C. This is for my homework 5 for EC376. So what it does is it'll take the buttons RB0 to RB7 and it'll play a certain frequency using outputting a square wave on RC0, and this chart shows the frequencies. RB0 will be 100 Hertz, RB1 will be 150, and it'll keep going up to RB7, which will be 1000 Hertz. So it's not really a piano because it's kind of gonna be playing random notes, so that's why I call it a sound generator rather than a piano. My code is here. It'll be attached to the link in the video, and I already measured it on the oscilloscope with, for example, this is the 100 Hertz square wave, and you can see here that I was getting exactly 100 Hertz. For RB3, that's supposed to be 250 Hertz, for example. I was off by 3 Hertz, but I had a plus or minus 1% tolerance in my requirements, so that was okay. So let's come over here. I just have it hooked up to an 8-ohm speaker using an H-bridge to make it louder, just so it's a little bit annoying right now. It's because it's super loud, but I'll show you how it works. So that's RB0. You can see that it'll come up as it's playing 100 Hertz on the LCD. RB1, that was 2, all the way to RB7 with that super annoying 1000 Hertz tone. So as you can see, this is functioning properly.